What up, what up, what up? It's your man Tech Mind coming at you with another banger that could put some money in your wallets, y'all. Please, man, do me a favor, come on over here and make sure y'all like the video, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. And don't forget to come on over to the Crypto Corner Telegram channel, y'all. The link is in the description. One more thing, y'all. This is very important as well. If you go inside all my videos, you will see, if you scroll down a little bit, you will see right here where it says below, you will find links to some of the other projects I'm invested in. These projects are working well for me. You understand me? Anytime you look at my videos, always scroll down here and check out the projects that I got, because as new projects come in, I'll be adding them to it, and as they get bad, I'll be taking them off. So just don't forget to always come down here and check the videos for some new projects, y'all. You might find a winner over here. Quickly and straight to the point, y'all. We got an infiltrator here by the name of Takmine, Takmine. He's trying to infiltrate, trying to be an infiltrator, so 9 times out of 10, if he hollers at you, it's gonna be some type of fraud going on. Look out for this guy, y'all. So today now, we got this new miner that just came out maybe about a day or two ago. It's called the Money Laundry. The FTM reward pool with the tastiest daily returns and lowest dApp fee. Y'all know what this is already. Y'all know this is a baked beans fork. Right now, baked beans is the hottest miner that ever dropped on the market, and there are forks just coming out the woodwork. You understand me? This is another one of them. Like 3 of them already came out this week, and they all doing good. They all banging out, B. They coming out with the same type of kind, so that the baked beans contract is working out here, and everybody's trying to duplicate it. So why not? If you can get a little bit of money over here too, why not? You know what I mean? So yeah, so this is the contract. Look, the contract is already up to 86,418 FTMs. That's a nice little amount right there for a brand new miner, and it's just starting off. So on this joint right here, you get the same thing as baked beans. Daily returns 8%, APR 2,900, and the dApp fee is 6%. Now that's a little bit different from baked beans, because baked beans is 3% on the dApp fee. Referral links as well, 12%. A decentralized FTM miner reward pool dApp built on the FTM network that offers users the chance to access financial freedom with its simplicity. Enjoy while you see the FTM tokens grow every day. Stake your FTMs and receive 8% daily returns and reinvest it to earn more. Anyway, so how do we get signed up with this money laundry? It's simple, y'all. Okay, so how do we get involved with this money laundry right here? All you gotta do is come on over here, tap the amount that you want to put in, hit that invest button, your wallet's gonna come up. Confirm that, and shortly we should be invested. I should have some thieves over here very shortly. Okay, it might be like the beans miner where you gotta disconnect and connect back. So let's give that a try. And there it is. I have 67 thieves for my 20 FTMs. Laundering completed. And look, I'm getting rewards already. Yeah, so this is just a quick one to show y'all what's going on with the money laundering. A straight fork of the baked beans. This is just a tester. I'm going to see what's going on. I'm going to see if it's going to show and prove. Whenever I get some results, I will make another video. So if y'all want to check out the results of what's going on with this, make sure y'all subscribe to the Crypto Corner YouTube and Telegram channel. You understand me? And I'm about to be out of here, y'all. You know what I mean? This ain't no financial advice or nothing. Y'all know what it is. It's just me doing what I do. If you see me doing what I do and you like what I do and you want to do it yourself, be my guest. I'm going to leave the link in the description for y'all. Anyway, y'all, I'm out of here. Peace out. Remember, invest your money safely and don't invest more than you can afford to lose, because this is high risk, high reward DeFi, y'all. Anyway, peace out, people.